Welcome to my channel. Between signing and close, a home buyer may choose to have a new home inspected to make sure it is in good condition and safe for a new owner. Here's what buyers and sellers should know. What is a home inspection? A home inspection is an assessment of a home's condition in which an inspector identifies potential problems in a home's structure, exterior, roof, plumbing, electrical systems, heating and air conditioning, interiors, ventilation/insulation, and fireplaces. An inspection may also include tests for problems that can affect human health like mold, radon gas, lead paint, and asbestos. Why have a home inspection? Uncover issues. A home inspector can spot problems that might not be visible during a casual walkthrough. This includes hidden issues like leaks, foundation cracks, or outdated electrical systems that could lead to costly repairs down the line. Safety. Safety is a top priority. Inspectors check for hazards like faulty wiring, carbon monoxide leaks, radon levels, mold, and asbestos. Ensuring the home meets safety standards is crucial for the well-being of its occupants. Negotiation tool. The inspection report can be used as a powerful tool in negotiations. If significant issues are found, buyers can ask the seller to make repairs or lower the selling price to account for the cost of fixing these problems. Peace of mind. Buying a home is a significant investment. Knowing that a professional has thoroughly inspected the property provides peace of mind that there won't be any unpleasant surprises after moving in. What does a home inspector check? Structure. Inspectors examine the foundation, walls, roof, and overall structural integrity to ensure the home is solid and free from major defects. This includes checking for signs of water damage, termites, and other pests that can compromise the structure. Electrical systems. They assess the electrical panel, wiring, circuit breakers, and outlets to ensure everything is up to code and functioning safely. Inspectors look for outdated wiring such as knob and tube or aluminum, which may need updating. Plumbing. Inspectors check all visible plumbing including pipes, water heaters, and fixtures for leaks, corrosion, and proper installation. They ensure there are no issues with water pressure, drainage, and that hot water heaters are working efficiently. Heating and cooling systems. They inspect the furnace, air conditioner, and ventilation systems to ensure they are in good working condition. This includes checking for proper installation, maintenance history, and signs of wear and tear. Insulation and ventilation. Proper insulation and ventilation are crucial for energy efficiency and preventing moisture buildup. Inspectors check the attic, crawl spaces, and walls to ensure there is adequate insulation and that ventilation systems are functioning correctly. Interior and exterior. They examine the condition of windows, doors, ceilings, floors, and siding. This includes checking for drafts, leaks, rot, and other damage that could affect the home's livability and energy efficiency. Appliances. Inspectors ensure that built-in appliances such as ovens, dishwashers, and garbage disposals are functioning properly. They also check for any potential issues that could lead to future repairs. How long does it take? Duration. The inspection typically lasts between 2 to 4 hours, depending on the size and condition of the home. Older homes or larger properties may take longer to inspect thoroughly. After the inspection. Report. The inspector provides a comprehensive report detailing their findings, often including photos and recommendations for repairs or further evaluations by specialists. This report is invaluable for making informed decisions about the property. Follow-up. Based on the inspection report, buyers can negotiate with the seller to address significant issues before closing. This might involve the seller making repairs, offering a credit, or adjusting the sale price to account for the cost of necessary repairs. Choosing a home inspector. Credentials. Look for inspectors who are certified by reputable organizations, such as the American Society of Home Inspectors, ASHI, or the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors, INTERNACHI. Certification indicates they have met specific industry standards and have ongoing training. Reviews and references. Check online reviews and ask for references from past clients to ensure the inspector has a good reputation and track record. Personal recommendations from friends or family can also be valuable. Cost. Home inspection costs can vary widely, typically ranging from $300 to $500, depending on the size and location of the home. It's a worthwhile investment to avoid potential costly repairs and ensure the home is a sound purchase. These detailed points should help you consider for home inspections. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to ask.